Indian Sign Language Interpreters Association had organized a workshop on 23rd and 24th March 2019. Their president is Monica Punjabi and their general secretary is Kinjal Shah. These two interpreters were responsible for managing the workshop. I would like to ask a question. Many interpreters have come for the workshop. How does ISLIA benefit by encouraging interpreters? What is your aim? Please tell our viewers. The topic is, please look here. Interpreters learn their skills from courses they studied long back or by meeting the same deaf individuals. This workshop provides a platform to improve visual, hearing, and expressing skills in sign language, to understand the diversity in deaf person sign language and translate it. Translation simultaneously is a must. We have interpreters with 4 years, 5 years, even 8 years of experience. Even freshers with 1 year of experience are here as well. Interpreters have come from Kerala, Hyderabad, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, Pune, and many other places. Plus, we have 5 deaf experts. At the workshop, we held practicals and voice interpretation. We stopped the video, asked them to interpret. Many got stuck and missed out on information. We focused on the ethics of interpretation and improving their skills. Wow, now to you. Many interpreters have completed the course but find it difficult to practice. Many interpreters do not go to interpret as well. They have all come here to practice as it's important. Deaf community is growing, they're empowered and they have started protesting. Interpreters fail to translate. While protesting, deaf persons aggressively express themselves. Interpreters fail to translate. Everyone has come here to practice their interpreting skills and learn how to perfectly interpret a deaf individual's varied emotions. They are here to practice this. Great. How many years has ISLIA been working for? We have completed 10 years. Please tell us, what is ISLIA's aim? Please tell our viewers. ISLIA was founded in 2008 and elections were held in NIHH right here in Mumbai, as luck would have it. In November 2018, we celebrated our 10-year program. The program was held on a large scale. More than 200 deaf and hearing individuals attended. It was held in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Most importantly, we invited World Federation for the Deaf President Colin Allen and WASLI's honorary president and founder Liz Scott Gibson. We invited them to India for the first time. We worked very hard and finally succeeded in inviting them. They gave a beautiful lecture in Indore. After this program, we decided to organize a small workshop for interpreters to practice and focus on their skills. We had resource persons like Atiya Haji, Sapan Jain, Sunil Sahasrabuddhe and Gaurav Verma, who all attended this 2-day workshop. Yesterday, members of ISLIA had a board meeting to plan future elections, more workshops, conferences, problems faced by interpreters, etc. We will soon surprise everyone with our plans. In the future, we have planned to associate with Youth Association of the Deaf India and Indian Sign Language Teachers Association. Since 2011, we have a joint statement and association with the All India Federation of the Deaf. We want to associate ourselves with strong youngsters. This is why we have invited YADI and ISLTA to associate with us. Great, thank you. On 23rd and 24th March 2019, ISLIA organized a workshop for interpreters. Sunil Sahasrabuddhe is the Vice President of ISLIA. He is a deaf individual. Why is a deaf person taking part in a workshop for hearing interpreters? Thank you, Vicky, for your question. Everyone must know this. I will tell you why. ISLIA was founded in 2008. They have completed 10 years as well. According to their policies, ISLIA is not only for hearing individuals. They must have a few deaf persons on their board. Earlier, I was the executive member. Slowly over time, I became the vice president. I feel it is very important for deaf persons to be involved in the hearing interpreter community to bridge the gap between them. If deaf persons work with hearing interpreters, they can help to coordinate and help to solve any barriers that arise. At this workshop, I was chosen to be the RP. RP means resource person. Deaf persons train hearing interpreters about deaf point of views. The interpreters share their point of views as well. This 2-day program was great. Thank you.